Hey, what's up, y'all? It's a day. I don't know what today is because I don't know what day this is gonna get posted, but hey, we're here. SWAPWEAR. Hey, they sent me a jean jacket to show y'all, you know, get y'all right, get y'all dripped up like me, you feel me? So yeah, I haven't even opened it yet, so we're about to do a live reaction here on camera for y'all because, you know, I want to be as authentic as I can with this one. So yeah, it smells like it's straight out the factory, real nice and crisp. Real nice and crisp. I got an extra small for, like, you know, yeah, purposes. So I wanted to partner with this brand because they promote sustainability, which is something that I am an advocate for. I am an advocate for sustainability and being able to do multiple things with your clothing. Very DIY girl, you already know what's up. They sent me 3 different little flannels. Flannels? Panels. They sent me 3 different panels. This one too, rzorrwolf 2. This is my favorite one. I was for sure the most excited about this one. This one's really cool. And then we have a wolf one for rzorrwolf. Obviously, you have to rip my like, obviously. So yeah, so it's a jean jacket. Here's the panel in the back where you put it at. You see, we about to make it real drippy. You see that it's empty right now, but it's not gonna be empty for long. Oh, it just snaps. Okay, it opens very easily. You don't gotta worry about buttoning it and unbuttoning it or nothing like that. You know, you just unbutton it and slap that on. Okay, let me give y'all a full yeah. This the swag. Wait it. Oh my god. Yeah, you already know what's up. Already got on me a little outfit going, you know. Make sure we looking real cute. Close up. I like that it's long and it completely covers my hand because I like to like hermit into my clothes like this. So yeah, very nice quality. Okay, now it's time to put the flannels on. So, okay, so don't mind how crazy I look right now, but this is the jacket. So, you see we have to put the panel in there, so let's just do that real quick for y'all. Okay, with the jacket, you want to swap everything from the outside, so you want to do it like this. So you put the zipper in there, just like that, and then you want to zip it down. There you go. And this is how it looks. You know, awesome, great, sustainable jacket. You know, here's the close-up of it. This is so cool. This is so sick. And then you can even add your own stuff to it too. Like if you want to like add some patches to the front, you can even do that too. Like, go ahead. And then it's a really nice pitch black too. Because I be having a problem with my clothes even being black enough for me. Because I be wanting them to be pitch black, dark. Like, it looks like I'm looking into a void when I look at it. And it just sucks all the color. And it just absorbs the color. Like, that's what I want. And yeah, it's really cool. Y'all gotta have my back. Y'all gotta have my back just like I got yours. Hey, that was no pun intended. No pun intended. And that is about it for today's video. Thank you so much to SWAPWEAR for sponsoring today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Check my description to be able to order y'all drip, you know.